people always complain like my smartphone is heating, the smartphone battery is degraded, the smartphone battery life is decreased, the smartphone battery life like SOT is decreased. I am getting less screen on time of my smartphone after some months. To discuss about this today in this video, how to maintain your battery very good. Even after 1 year you will get very good battery life if you implement these methods in your daily life. Let's begin this video, friends. First and foremost important method is don't overcharge or don't over discharge the smartphone batteries, because this will have a cycle. Like if you charge a smartphone from 0 to 100% and 100% to 0, it will end its cycle. If you charge from 20 to 90% if you discharge at that time, it won't complete a cycle and it will give you better battery life. So guys, implement this method. Don't overcharge or don't over discharge your smartphone batteries. Next thing is like you have to charge in a very good environment place. Don't charge a smartphone in a hot or like a storage room, or don't charge a smartphone in closed room like that, because these batteries will dissipate heat. Actually they need a cooler temperature, so you can have a smartphone charging in like under in fan or AC or anyway. Don't close everything like doors and windows and keep the mobile for charging, and turning off the fan and AC. This will affect your battery and it will get heated. So charge it in a cool environment compared to that hot environment. Next and foremost thing people do is charging while playing the online games. Not even the online games, like why do you use the smartphones while charging? I don't understand. This will degrade your battery drastically. Yes, it will decrease your battery life. So avoid using your smartphone while on charge. At least nowadays you are getting this fast charging, like half an hour will get 100% charge even today. So why do you need that half an hour also you are using that smartphone? Please reduce it, guys. After a charge you can use it till it get 20%. Don't over discharge. Again I am telling. The next important thing is like using a third party apps for battery saving. Actually these battery saving apps will drain the battery a lot than in ideal condition. So note that, guys. In like if you are using a smartphone, then you use this battery apps like battery saving apps. This will save the battery. But when it is in ideal condition, these battery saving apps will drain the battery, because they're continuously checking for which app is in the background, which app is not in the background. So disable the battery saver when you are not using the smartphone. Leave it as it is and disable location, Bluetooth. If you are not using these things, location, Bluetooth and even internet connection, disable it and keep it in ideal condition. Then you will see 0% drainage in the ideal condition. That's why you will see this kind of drainage in ideal condition actually. And don't install third party applications which are not in the Play Store. These apps are also take some unnecessary permissions and drain the battery in the background continuously. You won't even notice which app is draining. So beware of installing third party apps. Do install apps from official sites like Play Store and their own official sites of the applications. That's it. The other type of mistake do these days people, like some people are okay, they know everything, they can replace their battery themselves, but not everyone. Do visit your service center and purchase an official battery and then replace it if you know it, or else mostly you have to replace it through service centers only. Most of them don't know these things. So use it a proper original batteries which are available in the official sites of your smartphones. Take that only and replace it through service centers and use it. Don't use third party batteries, or you yourself you don't change it. It will affect your battery definitely. That's why we will see lots of blasting of smartphones. Beware of that. And one more important thing is don't use third party chargers and the cables or even the adapter. Use the official adapter and charging cables, because these will affect your battery. Definitely this will affect. We don't know which type of sensors are like IC is inserted in your smartphone. for that particular smartphone they have designed their chargers and the adapters. Please use these chargers and adapters, like charging cables and adapters, to reduce the burden on your battery and your smartphone. If your battery decreases, like battery life decreases, it will affect on processor, everything what you are performing that task. So please avoid using the third party chargers and the adapters. And few people use fast chargers, even their smartphone don't support it. So you have to note it, which smartphone will support up to what wattage charger. If your smartphone supports 10 watt chargers, please use 10 watt. If you even use 18 watt charger also, it won't charge in 18 watt. So use 10 watt chargers, that's it. Don't use fast chargers. And some people do like they carry just adapter and borrow the cables from some other smartphone vendors. This will also affect your smartphone drastically. So beware of this. Also use your proper cable which is available in official sites, or you can go offline also through shops and buy the official chargers and adapters. Don't use third party adapters and chargers. That's it. And also during summers most of the people charge their smartphones in very hot conditions. Avoid using it. Like if it is really necessary for you, then charge it. No means charge it in the midnights or overnight or even early morning. This will help your battery to stay cooler and doesn't affect your smartphone. And if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button below down, and also like this video. If you like this video, like the video and comment down below if I missed any points, or if you like the video, comment down below and share this video who are interested in this type of videos. Now, and best tip to get better battery life is, after you are using your smartphone for several months and years, do hard reset or factory reset your smartphone. This will improve your battery life. When you reset your smartphone, it will feel faster, and those apps you have installed or junk which you have installed or downloaded, that will be erased and you will get new software. So you may not find drainage problem. If you still feel that your battery is draining a lot, update it to latest software which your company is provided, or the custom ROM you are using. Update it to latest ROM and then use your smartphone. Then you will don't notice the battery drainage or battery draining problems. And still if your battery is draining, you are noticing that heating problems, do visit service centers and replace your battery and enjoy your smartphone for another couple of months or years based upon your requirement. That's all guys from this video. If you're interested, hit that like button. Bye bye.